Here I have OPPO A77s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the additional settings, and then go to the accessibility. Then switch to the vision section and then go to the Talkback. So here you can enable Talkback.
Talkback on. Talkback. Navigate up button.
So
Double tap
Talkback
to activate.
works the way that it speaks out loud items or like words on your screen, because it's made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems who can't like really see contents on the screen. That's where this feature comes in, because it just tells you, speaks out loud like anything you want. So for example, I tap here, Talkback, and this section got spoken out loud.
Talkback on switch. Double tap to activate.
So as you can hear, when you're in Talkback, in order to operate, you have to first select some item, and then to confirm it, you just double tap anywhere on the screen, just like this.
Turn off Talkback.
Stop.
Stop.
Double tap.
Talkback off.
So yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.